Hello everyone, my name is Dr. Shabintaj. Here I am presenting the session 8, last session in this arithmetic module computer organization. The contents are integer division, how to perform manual division, uh, then circuit arrangement for binary division, longhand division steps, restoring division, non-restoring division. Let us take the circuit arrangement. You have here the register A and Q. Register A is in order to store the intermediate results and it will store the remainder. Dividend Q. Q stores the your quotient. Okay. Now dividend Q is a quotient here. I find finally it will store the quotient. Okay. Now set Q naught. Q by seeing the Q naught you can control the sequence of your division, whether to add or to subtract. Add and subtract what? Add A to M or add A plus M or A minus M, depends on the Q naught bit. Now we would here you have a adder circuitry whose inputs are the A register as well as divisor M. Now divisor M you have to take one extra bit, hence it is called n plus 1 bit adder. The result is again stored back in the register A. This circuit is going to be explained with some simple example. How the normal manual division is performed? Yes, when you are doing normal decimal number division, you take 13, take 2-bit number. If it is dividend is greater than the divisor, then you perform the division with the 2 bits. If it's not, you have to take 3 bits. Similarly, and take the last ender bit down and perform the division again with the same set. Whatever you get remainder, this is called remainder, this is quotient, and divisor, and 274 is dividend. Now same thing if you perform the binary division 13 is 1101. Now here 1000 is there. Now 1000, since it is 4 bit and here 4 bit dividend and 4 bit divisor, if you take dividend is less than the divisor, so you have to take 5 bit and perform the division. 13 ones are 13, you brought back here 131101. If you found that after subtraction what you got 100, you got it, and 100. Okay, so you got 1000, you have to take another extra 0 bit. Similarly, you have performed and finally you got the result as 1 and 21, which is here shown. This is longhand division example. Now, what are the steps followed in longhand division? Are position the divisor appropriately with respect to the dividend and perform the subtraction. If it is 4 bit, you have to perform the division by adjusting it. If not 5 bit, you have to preposition it properly. If the remainder is 0, here is the key point, 0 or positive, a quotient bit is always 1 is determined. The remainder is extended by another bit of the dividend. Okay, the divisor is repositioned and another subtraction is performed. Yes, as I just now told you, if the remainder is negative, a quotient bit of 0 is determined and the dividend is restored. If it is negative, you have to restore by adding the back the divisor, and the divisor is repositioned for another subtraction. Yes, you are doing this. Let us look into the restoring division example. Now restoring division example here is the steps are, step 1 is what, shift A, and this is a shift A and Q left 1 bit binary position. Okay, when you shift the initially A is loaded with 0 and Q is, this is A and this is Q. A is 0 and Q will be with the dividend, which is 3, sorry 8, it is stored here. Now this is what is this, M is given here, not necessary you have to place here, but it is easy for subtraction and all, we'll see that. Now so after shifting of A, what you got, this 0 is discarded and this 0 comes here, this 0 comes here, and this is here, this 0 here is here, this one is here, and you are left with these zeros are shifted here, and you got the one box empty, one vacant position. Unlike in your previous multiplication, you can fill with zeros and ones and all. You cannot do it. You have to do it how it depends on the algorithm. Now, after shifting, what it said, subtract m from a. Subtract m from a. What you have to do? Subtract m from a means a minus m. What is the content of A? Content of A is a shifted value. And how is the subtraction performed in the computer? But take 2's complement of M and add it to A. Yes, we do it. So 2's complement of A is 000 is 1 1. One extra bit is taken because it's a sign bit. Now what it got it? 11101 after 1's complement plus 1 you got this is your M. Now it is shown here 11101. And what is the content of A? Content of A is 0010, right? Then is 001. Erase this. Only A bit is changing. So what is A after shifting? Shifting is 4 zeros followed by 1. Now you add it. After adding what you get? I'll erase this again. Okay. After adding 1, 0 and 1, 1, 1. What is the result? The result is here. You can see that. I'm sorry, I just did a little mistake here. 1, 1 is 0 and carry 1. Okay. This is A plus A minus M result. A minus M result where you have to place the answer back into the register A. That is what it says. Place answer back in A. If the sign of A is 1, what you have to do? Set Q naught to 0. Sign of A is negative 1. So okay, set Q naught to 0. The box which was empty, it will be filled with 0. And here it says in the next step, if sign of A is 1, set Q naught to 0 and add back to, and it says there is no option here, and add. If sign of A is negative, set Q naught to 0 and add back to A. It means what we had subtracted, we found that it is not correct. Restore. Restoring if you do, it is 0 1 1. 1 0 1 0 0 and 0. 1 is 1, 1 1 is 0 and 1 carry, 0 and 1 carry, 0 and 1 carry, 0 and 1 carry, 1 carry, that is you discarded. So you have 4 zeros and 1. Where is the result? 4 0 and 1. Here is your result. Okay. For here is it. This completes the cycle. I erase this and I'll. This completes the cycle 1. Shift and subtract and restore. Restore is not mandatory. Restore is done only when it is negative. Now shift again the contents of A. When you shift 00010 you get, because this will 1 will come here, this 0 is coming. So triple, I erase it here. The content again I have written the previous thing. Okay. What is that? After shifting you got 00010 you got, which is 10. The content of new content of A is this. M remains same, 2's complement of A, and you have to subtract A minus M, which is A plus M. Take 2's complement. What is the result you are getting? The result you are getting here, 1 1 1 1 1. Okay, all ones you got it. So which is here? Okay, and you found that it is negative, you have to restore back. When you restore, what is the result you get? 1 1 is 0 1, carry 1 and 1, 0 and carry 1, 0 and 0, you got 0010 is your result of the second cycle, which is there here. Okay, now this finishes the cycle 2. Now again you do the shift and subtract. Shift is what you got, after shifting 00100. I erase here 00100. I erase and put it here. The content of A is 1 0. What is the result you got? And after that you have to add as well, because the 2's complement of m remains same. What is the value you get? 1 0 1 1 is 0 and 1, 0 and 1, 0. 4 zeros and 1, you got it. 4 zeros and 1. Where is the result? A minus m. Yes. Okay, and after this is m minus m, and you have to find it, restore it. Okay, so you have to restore it. Where is the restoring step? Restore for I've done some mistake. Yes, 11010. Yes, I've done some mistake here. Yes, you should be very careful during this. I'm extremely sorry for this. 1 1 as 1 1 is, this is subtraction, and restore is shifting and subtracting, and directly result is placed here. I have not done subtraction. 0 and 1, which is 0 and carry is 1. 1 1 0 1 and 1 1 is 0. Here it is 1 1 1 is 0 and 1, 0 and carry 1. Okay, now you can see this, it is already obtained here. I take the color, the other color one, triple zero, 4 zeros and 1, 4 zeros and 1, you got it in the result of the third cycle. Okay, so here, are you doing restoring? Definitely no restoring is performed. Why no restoring is performed? You can observe here. Okay, this finishes the cycle 3. Since A is positive, set Q naught to 1. The vacant position shifted, it was blank. And then, since A is positive, anyway shift is there. Shifting, after shifting you got 0010 and subtract M to A. So here, subtract M. Here M is already there. And what is A? Triple zero, triple zero and 10. What is the result you are getting? 1 1 1, all ones, which is given here. Okay, and we since A is negative, you have to restore back to A. When negative is there, you have to restore. Add it the divisor to back to a. So what you got? 0 and carry 1. Carry 1 is 1. Triple 1 is 1 and 1. 0. 1 1 is 0 1. 0 and 0. You got triple 0 1 0, which is this. And after shifting, you got this. Since a was negative, you have set the q naught bit to 0. The control sequence you can place here. If negative, place set q naught to 0. If positive, set q naught to 1. Here is the example for how many times you have to repeat. Yes, you can observe this. Dividend is 4 bits, which is 1000. Hence, you have 4 cycles in the restoring division. Restore means what? You are restoring you found that the result of subtraction is negative, hence you add it back the divisor to the result of A. Let us go back to the PPT. Yes, the example is depicted again here, the same thing. Okay, now we'll see non-restoring division. Avoid the need for restoring. Yes, unnecessary restore can be avoided in the non-restoring division. That's a major flaw in the restoring division, and time was unnecessarily getting wasted. Uh, After unsuccessful subtraction, any idea? Yes, the restore step can be removed. Now let us go back to the example over here. You can see. Now, similarly, as you have done the same divide, we have taken 3. 3 divided by 8 divided by 3, the remainder is 2, quotient is 2. The steps are different here. If sign of A is 0, shift A and Q left 1 bit position and subtract M from A. This is if it is sign of A. Initially, you can see here, initially is what? Erase this contents. Previously, I had done. Okay. Okay. Initially, A is loaded with all zeros and M divisor is loaded into register Q. So here which is 1000 and 0. One extra bit is taken because it's a sign division, sign number division. If it's a positive number, take 0. Now here, what is this? This is dividend. M is this. M is this. Similarly, here it has a shift step. If the sign of A is 0, yes, sign of A, initially it is checking the, unlike in your restoring division, initially itself it is checking the sign bit. Yes, sign of A is 0, shift A and Q left 1 bit binary position. After shifting, what you are getting this. So that means if this 0 is discarded, this 0 comes here, this 0 comes here, this 0 comes here, this 0 comes here, this money. Don't get confused. The in between number is gem, which is placed here in order to do the subtraction. Okay. So after shifting, you got 4 zeros and 1. Now you have to what after shifting? Subtract m from a. So subtract m from a means you have to take 2's complement of m. Okay. And a should be added to it. So what is the a value? A value is A value is 4 zeros and 1, and M value is written here, which is 2's complement. A is this 0 is triple 0 and 1. Don't get confused, it's not 6. We are dealing with only binary number division. Okay. Now you can see here what are you getting the result? The result obtained is 1 is 0 and 1 carry, and all 3 ones addition you are doing. You are doing addition. 4 ones and 0. 4 ones and 0, which is the result of the first cycle. And result is negative, hence you set the Q naught to 0, which is similar to your restoring division. Now in the next step, what are you doing? Now here the steps in the restoring division, non-restoring division, step 1 has 2 sub steps. Okay, and step 2 is finally you are doing the restore. Which what is this? We'll see. If sign of A, now if the sign of A repeat n times, repeat n times means step 1 only you have to repeat n times, which we have done in the first cycle. Second cycle, what if sign of A is 0? No, sign of A is not 0. Then what you have to do? Otherwise, shift A and Q left and add MA. So after shifting, this one is discarded and this one comes here, this one comes here, this one comes here, this 0 and this 0 comes here. And add MA. Add means you are adding M, which is M. I had already told you this is your M, which is written here also M. Okay, 0, triple 0 and 1 1. M is nothing but divisor. What is the result you got? For all ones you got it. The result of the addition is all ones. And here set Q naught is 1 and after shifting you had got one position blank which is filled with again 0 since it is negative. This finishes the cycle 2. Now let us again go for the next. Repeat the step 1 itself how many times? N times since M is here. It is Q is 8 which is 1 triple 0. You are doing the 4 cycles which is 4 bit. After shifting this what you got, this 0 appears here and all the other this one is discarded, the rest ones are placed here and you are left with a blank 0. And what you are finding, since A is negative you have to add M to A, so M is 3, all of you know. Now when you add this is the result you got, 4 zeros and 1, and you are, since it is positive you have to place the blank vacant position by one value. This finishes the cycle 3. Every cycle it has, say, check the sign of A. If A is negative, shift and add. If A is positive, shift and subtract. This you have to keep on repeating. Along with this, if negative is there, set to Q naught to 0, positive is there 1. That's all you have to do. Finally, after that, last step was what? Shifting. Shifting means this 1 comes here, this 0 comes here, and you have done. Sign of A is negative, so you have to do subtract. So what you have to do? You have to do the take 2's complement of M and then add. Okay. Here, the new A is 1 0. Same time, here it is 1 0. And what is the result? 1 1 1 1, 5 ones will come. 3 1 4. This is what you got it here. Okay, and this finishes 4 cycles of over. Shift, add, shift, subtract and all over. Now final step says if sign of A is 1, add M to A. So what we have done? Final step here, add M, restore. And what is that you got? You got the remainder in the register A and quotient in the register Q. Now, what is the advantage of using non-restoring division? The restoring overhead is removed and it is restored only at the final stage. When if the answer of what you got in final after all cycles, if it is negative, you restore. Otherwise, no restore is required. That also can be omitted. Here is the example. Okay, that's all for this session. This is end of the module 4. Thank you. Any queries you can contact me with my YouTube link channel. Thank you.